And with my handwriting, you're gonna laugh at me. I have the worst handwriting.
Oh, hold on a sec. Okay, perfect.
The right word that I will use to describe Mevotech
My word's creativity,
is innovative.
winning attitude,
Flexibility.
Passion. I can describe Mevotech in one word as innovation.
How I describe Mevotech is one team.
Fun at Mevotech is when each and every day I come to work and I have fun with my co-workers. We get the job done on time and we enjoy doing what we do.
Mevotech has always come out winning is just because of the winning attitude and the culture itself.
Just to be provided that free rein to collaborate with my team and come up with these innovative solutions, it really means everything to me.
Mevotech to me means quality. It's in our DNA. All our teams come together to ensure the highest quality experience.
We are flexible to make our strategies and tactics adjusted to those changes and make our customers happy and successful.
We don't make always the same thing. We improve it.
This is the word I chose because working at Mevotech, it shows how much we've done so far and how much more we have to keep going. I can say to growth, happy 40th.
For me, the one word that describes Mevotech is memories. And the memories are 34 years of memories of people, of product, and of family.
Good. No problem, thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.